In this video, we're going to be looking at the Move tool in Photopea. So let's go into Photopea. Right, so I've just set up a shape and a text. So first thing we'd need to do in order to move one of these layers is to select the layer that we want to move. So if I select the shape and then go up here and select the Move tool, you can see it's selected because it's got the darker background around it. And I can click anywhere on the screen and it will move the layer that I've selected. I can click on it or I can click off it. If I then want to move the text, I'd have to select the text layer, and likewise I can select anywhere on the screen and it will move that text layer. Now what we really want is more of a click to move the one that you want to move, so you don't need to think about selecting the layer in advance. So rather than at the moment the text layer is selected, if I click on the green rectangle, you can see it's just moving the text anyway. Now if I go up here to the Move tool options, I can choose auto select. And what auto select does is it just simply does a point and click. So if I want to move the green rectangle, I can now just click on it. And if I want to move the text tool, the text that I've used, put in place using the text tool, then I can just click on that and move that around. So that's some of the functionality of the Move tool there, but I would recommend turning on auto select to make your life a bit easier. The other thing that you can do is select multiple layers and use some of the align tools. So if you want to just align them with each other, then just select the layers that you want to line up. So if I want, for example, my text to be on the left hand side of my shape, then I would simply select the shape and the text and go up here to the top and say align left edges, and you can see that's exactly what it's done. Or I might want to do this the same but do it horizontally and vertically, so get it bang on in the center of the shape that I've got there. You could also do that for the whole page if you select the background as well. So I might then do so it's saying the layer is locked, and that's because we've got a padlock on the background, so we'll need to unlock the background just by clicking there, and then you can see that I can align everything, say, to the left, and it does ignore the margin, so you've got to be careful of that, or to the center, or to the right, to the top, etc, etc. So use those tools as you need them, but that's how you use the align tools and the Move tool, which is very important in Photopea.